Hi, welcome to learning about how to generate a report via an action button. The first thing you need to do is to create your report. I just have a simple report here holding the staff extension phone numbers. Once your report is created, you will need to add a function and use Five's inbuilt function Select Action to pass in the action ID for the report. When the button is clicked, the report will generate in the front end, which can be viewed, printed, downloaded and saved. You can see here that the action ID for my report is staff phone extensions. We can take a copy of this and head over either to the functions view or the code editor to add our function. I'm going to use the code editor. So I'll select logic followed by code editor. And now we'll add our function. We'll start by giving it an ID. We'll call ours generate report. The template for our function is already added in the code editor. All we need to do is use the select action function on the Five object and pass in the action ID of our report. You can find further documentation on the select action function in our API documentation. We'll save our function now. Now an action button needs to be created with the function attached. We are going to create an action button on a form. However, you can create the action button on any action in Five that suits your requirements. We'll select Visual, followed by Forms and the staff's record. We need to go to the Action Buttons page where we can add a new action button. We'll call it Generate Report. And optionally, you can add an icon for your button. We'll come to the Events page and in the On Press field, we'll select our function. Now we can save this record. And let's take a look how it looks in our application. Once we select a staff's record, you'll see the Generate Report button here. Simply click the button and your report will generate.